News Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this Tuesday, December the 29th for the Tiger Financial News Network noon update. I am the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour. Coming up after this update, and also the author of the opening call daily newsletter. Don't forget, comes January, the price of my newsletter goes up, so check it out. Let's see, we're looking at the Dow is up 4 points at 30,408. Hit an all-time high. Where did it hit the all-time high? Right on that green, thick green repellent zone, outer band. If it closes above that, nicely above that, now it's because of the rising trend line, that price will be somewhere around 30,720. A close above that says, hey, that's really good. You've turned this whole area of the 30,100, 30,000 area into support. We're looking at the S&P at this particular moment, all-time high at 3740.26, made a high of 3756. And this is a leg E, same as the Dow. What's really interesting about this is the MACD hasn't turned positive, and the stochastic is still under 80% at 76%, and you've got a leg D in the weekly chart. Wow, if it wasn't for the stimulus package, etc., I would have said we are really close to some kind of a pullback. I've been saying that for a few days, haven't done anything about it in terms of the Dow, but the S&P certainly, and look at the Qs. All-time high today, 314.68 at 313.17, up 50 cents. We've got 309 to 308 as key near-term support if there's any kind of a pullback. Now, this is going to be interesting. Leg F, going to a peak F today in the IWM. Steepest move, 201.18, down to today's low of 194.24. That's a big move down. Big red candle. We've seen this before, not quite as much in points. And then it rarely turns into a green candle that day of the 21st of December. This is important. I think, wow, everything about what I'm looking at says we're turning a corner here. Be careful. And that's kind of what we're doing in my opening call, starting to be careful. Look at gold. Gold should be running sharply here. It's up 5 points at 1886. We'll see if in the next week gold starts to trade above 1925. That's a big deal. Under 1860, it's not a big deal. I'll be back in a few minutes for the Tiger Technicians Hour. Don't forget, the opening call, my daily newsletter. I had some pretty great positions that still have, in fact. Be back in a few minutes for my show.